This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 28G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout, leveling jacks, DVD player, TV, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 28G is 9,153 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.